The graphical user interface of the Amsterdam Modeling Suite can import your geometries from all the common file formats, like Cartesian coordinates, CIF files, smile strings, and more. But it also offers a great set of tools for fine-tuning or altering your geometry. Let's have a look at some of those tools I consider particularly helpful. For the sake of simplicity, I've just picked a graphene sheet on top of which I want to position a nitrogen atom according to some sketch that maybe I found in some paper. For this task, we first add a nitrogen atom to the system and then open the fine-tuning dialog from Edit, Fine-Tuning Geometry. Note that for all those different options and tools, one can find a description of what exactly they do when the mouse pointer is hovered over them. To center the nitrogen atom over one of the carbon rings, we first select all carbon atoms in the ring and click on the circle next to above atoms in the Position Atoms with respect to plane dialog. Now select the nitrogen atom, enter 4.3 as the distance and click on Move. Selecting two carbon atoms instead of all ring atoms will center the nitrogen atom above the carbon atom's bond at the requested distance. To center the atom on top of another atom, select only one carbon atom and change the geometrical center option to First Atom. Throughout this fine-tuning panel, you can define directions by selecting sets of atoms and then clicking the circle items in the control panel. For example, to move the nitrogen atom 4.3 angstrom into the direction of these two carbon atoms here, click on the carbon atoms, add them to the Translate menu, set the step size and click on the arrow button. Finally, if you have edited your structure, you might want to consider to re-optimize it with a force field. This can be done from within the force field engine. Just select a subset of atoms for which the position should be optimized and a force field before clicking Pre-Optimize. The results of this optimization can be viewed live. So that's it for today. I hope you found this useful, and as always, we are happy to answer any comments or feedback in the video description below this video.